see about that.
Yes, that's tequila.
They about to have a DJ there.
Oh, it's about to be on and popping up in here.
What's going on? I'm white and don't understand.
I'm thwarted.
I have beat you again.
You've beat me again?
Yes, do not come to my pais again. I am warning.
This is not the last that you've seen of me. No.
No,
I will avenge myself.
Next. Welcome to the American Red Cross. Give me your blood.
Are you gonna ask nicely?
Sit down.
You have a really, oh, you just like that?
I carry it around just in case.
Oh, you're so strong.
Thanks.
Oh my goodness, it doesn't even really hurt anymore.
I don't really need it, I
You will cut.
just wanted to relax. It's a very empowering thing.
Helga,
There is.
what the crap are you doing here again? You're not supposed to be taking blood from people. I'm gonna lose my job.
He's so nice.
That's not, ma'am. Did you sign anything? What are you doing?
Boss
Oh
man.
God, Helga. Oh man, I'm gonna throw up.
So manly and womanly at the same
You're
time.
not taking blood.
Well, since...
Oh. Is somebody already here? Jenkins!
Yeah, sir.
A hurricane.
Get out of here.
No.
I was just kidding. Stay.
Don't let her leave.
It's too late. She's gone.
Well, you need every blood-drawing person you can find.
She's not certified.
It doesn't matter. A hurricane and a tidal wave just hit the Dominican Republic.
But she.
Hey, I'm gonna take a job opening.
Oh man.
Give that man a needle and put him in a chair.
Okay. You know what? I just can't do this anymore. I quit.
What?
Sign me up.
Oh, you look like you've got experience.
Yes, I do.
This is what I'm gonna do though. You ever do any hard drugs?
All the time.
Fantastic.
Yes.
Sit in the chair.
Oh, that was still good, man.
We don't have time for anything like that.
We always got time.
Okay, we clearly don't have any donors. Why don't you start with ourselves?
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. All right.
You do me, I'll do you.
Helga, you're only 9 years old, okay?
Mom, I said I wanted a gun.
Helga, you can't be playing with guns, okay? This is the third time that you got sent home. I can't deal with it anymore, all right? You can't just go brandishing guns.
What Helga wants, Helga gets.
No, baby, I think this is a 5-star restaurant. We're gonna be able to handle this. Just don't say nothing. Just keep it on
You
the
don't
low.
have no.
Yes, here's text.
He walking over here. He's going.
Yeah, that's my good man.
Chef Penny.
Yeah, Penne. That's what I'm talking about.
I love him.
Don't be talking over loud like that. We inside. It's outside folks.
Okay,
Can't like
no, I
that.
mean you be acting civilized.
I'm sorry for,
Hey.
my
You have a reservation?
Yeah, it's on the Jay-Z. Beyonce. And me.
Oh yes, we have the hip hop section all ready for you.
Yeah, that's right. That's what no, we cool. We been here before. That's what I'm saying.
What's your name? You look cute. I'm just saying.
A reservation for Jay-Z.
Now, Helga, let's discuss this overwhelming anger that is inside of you.
I don't want to talk about my feelings.
It's okay. Nobody ever really wants to talk about that anger that's right here. But you're facing 25 to life for murdering your mother. This is a turning point in your recovery.
Shot your mother, did you? That's my kind of woman. You know, I need a little muscle. I'm about to start a sugar factory. I need somebody like you around. You look like you got good haunches. Carrot things, can you?
Well, I blew my knee out, racketeering and playing a little basketball.
You look like you was probably a WNBA.
I took down Lisa Leslie.
Oh, girl, we're gonna have a long and fruitful relationship.
Mr. Banderas, you are the sexiest man I have ever seen in my entire life.
Yes, I know. I am the sexiest person I have seen him. I am always staring into the mirror. I cannot even look at other people.
Your turntable,
It is.
it is just amazing. The talents that you emanate is just undeniably appealing.
God, jeez, I always gotta mop up the Jesus.
Such passion comes out from everyone around us. We are like Romeo and Juliet.
Excuse me. Have you not seen the sexiness in here?
That is my qualities.
I've come back to your place.
You have come back to my place. Mi mujer. Ahora.
You are the most appealing man I have ever seen in my entire life.
Yes.
Hey,
I've gone back to my place and I've trained in mystifying women. Yes.
you have not beat me yet, senor.
Yes.
I will be back.
Banderas! You are
Banderas!
Reggie! Oh my god! It's been like 12 years or something.
12! Yeah.
Wow, you not changed.
Why didn't you call me? What did I do? Did I come on too strong? Did I call you too much?
Oh, excuse me. Your order is ready. Oh, what y'all two doing here? What you doing in King Burger?
Okay, you're a liar.
Oh, you want to start this? My shift is over in like 20 minutes.
Pay attention to me!
You lied.
Reggie, is that you?
Yes!
Damn, Reggie. You got a job.
Not again.
No, okay. Wait a minute, all right? You screwed this up, all right? We could have been like something. In middle
Yes.
school and high school and college and instead
You about to be something.
all you do is ruin people's lives.
Don't have
Cut to middle school. Cut to middle school.
Hey, Reggie. I know you've been hanging out with this fool over here with her boots. She all depressed. Look at her hunched over.
No, but she looks cute, you know? I mean...
I'm back to present day.
It's like you were always telling me that she was, you know...
Ain't I right? What's
I'm a cover model. I don't understand this.
You're about to be covered with a model. Come around.
No!
You get out of my way.
No!
Reggie! Reggie, I will snap your neck. Unless you got a platinum card and we can talk. Oh, you want to hide?
Here. Take that platinum card.
Okay, well then we done.
Take it! Sick of this!
Tired of working on the sugar farm. We need to organize, man. We need to get together. The freaking gamecock walking around with his just. No, this shit was bad. Aren't you tired?
All right, load him, men. Load him in the
She's
back.
the worst ever since she got here.
Just because you're my little brother doesn't mean you gotta mess things up for everybody else. You know, you could have.
You shot Mom! Who are you to talk about messing things up?
You could have been somebody. You could have been like me. But instead, what are you doing? You working for me now. Yeah. How's it feel?
All right, fine. You want me to be like you?
I can be like you.
You've been such a great little sister. I mean, you started working on the sugar farm. It's amazing.
It's given me the confidence that I need. It's just so invigorating to know that I'm good at something.
You are. You're really good, like putting little sugar cubes into the packets.
I know. It's like, it's so invigorating to see him go.
Well, ladies. How are you this fine morning?
Amazing.
How are you?
You are quite the looker.
Yes,
You're very sturdy yourself.
She's really quick, though.
I've been working 40 hours a week for you forever. She just walks in here and you're like, oh,
I
she's a
don't
pretty
even
face.
work here.
Would you like to be a spokesmodel
Oh my
for the
God.
sugar factory? There's nothing says sugar like you. Fine.